Put some glue, right, on a plate with what do they call them? Paper clip, is it? Poppy pin. Hang it on the wall. That's actually kind of nice. I like that. Right, guys, get a chopping board and draw some little X's all over it. 400 times. Drill the X's and then break a pencil. Break 400 pencils and fill the holes in with pencil. And then spray your gold, yeah? It's gonna be great now, this. And then... That's atrocious! You can buy a dish rack for £1. Right, guys, get yourself a picture frame, right? Take out the ugly photo of that woman. Tip them lovely pebbles inside it, yeah? That actually looks kind of nice. Oh, they haven't finished. They're gonna ruin it. Glue it. Stick it on a chopping board. Oh, God. Another chopping board, yeah. Paint it blue. That's terrible. It's terrible. You should have quit while you was ahead. I'm actually angry at you for that.